Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download PUBG Mobile into your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do first, you just need to download BlueStacks. After that, you just need to open the BlueStacks 5. And after a little time of loading, you'll find yourself into BlueStacks apps player. And from here, you just need to go for system apps. And then here, you just need to go for Play Store over here. And then what you can do, just simply come over into your search option over here and going to search for PUBG Mobile. And you'll find PUBG Mobile over here. If you click on that, then you will get the PUBG Mobile over here. So if you just simply click on install, and it will automatically installing, and it's about 1.07 GB. So you just need to keep patience and wait for a little bit. And now here you can see that the PUBG Mobile download and installation is completed. And now here you just simply click on play and it will open PUBG Mobile. So I will going to maximize this and going to proper maximize it. So you can see that the starting PUBG Mobile, and if you just click on allow, click allow, and there is Crafton and checking for updates. So keep patience, wait for a little bit. You can see that some of resources are going to downloading, so it will take some of seconds to complete. So and you can see that there will be two options called select a resource pack to download. If you want a HD resource pack, then you just need to click on it and then click OK. Or if you want to low, then you can select it and click on OK. So you can see there will be a timer and the timer is completed, and now it's downloading the HD. So it's about 1 GB 700 MB. So it will take quite a minute. So keep patience and I will get you after the completing the preparing resources. And now you can see that update complete. If you click OK, it will get you out from the app and it will open another time, and now it will get starting PUBG Mobile. Keep patience, and you can see there will be privacy policy, but you can accept all, and then you'll get three options to sign in. So if you have Gmail, then you can simply click on display games and you can do it as well. Also, you can sign in from QR code. If you want to know how to sign in from QR code, I will dedicatedly make a video. If you want, then please comment me to this video below. So I will going to open it from the guest account. So you can just click on guest, click on agree, and click OK. And you can see there will be a interface called welcome to PUBG Mobile. And from here you just need to know, welcome to PUBG Mobile. Do you want me to show you the ropes in the training stage before you get started? So if you want to train, then you can simply click on train, or if you want to go for a battle, then you can simply go for the battle. So I will go for the train to showing you that it really works. So yeah, this is how you can download it. You can see the PUBG Mobile into your Windows icon. So this is how you can download and install PUBG Mobile into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.